Good morning students. I am an educator of Bhakti International School. Today we are going to study the 9th standard Bihai books, first chapter, The Fun They Had. In this lesson we are going to discuss about two characters, Margie and Tommy. They were discussing about the future schools, which kinds of future school will be. Here Margie wrote a diary. In her diary she wrote 7th May 2157. She wrote that at that time there will be mechanical teacher and the words will be moving on the screens, monitor screens. But here Tommy got books. This is the old kinds of books. Both are discussing about the books. As you are watching on the screens, there are printed diagrams which are telling us about the future kinds of school. At that time we learn through computers. There will be virtual classroom and there will be robotic teachers and the words moving. At that time there will be e-text, electronic text. In the first paragraphs, Margie is discussing about the books, and here you are watching on the screen. First point, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. As I told you, she was writing a diary and she wrote, the headline was the diary of 17th May 2157. Today Tommy found a real books, and she wrote in her diary, there was a boy who was 13 years old. His name was Tommy. She wrote in her diary that Tommy got a real books. It was a very old books. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper, and Margie said that the books which was got by the Tommy, his grandfather used to say that at that time we have a real books and the words are printed in the books. They turned the page which were yellow and crinkly. When they were continue reading the books, the page was completely yellow and crinkly, means there were many lines and it was folded, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on screen. And they were supposing that because they were learning through the computers, on computer screen the words are moving because there were e-text, but here the words are printed in a textbook. So Margie became very surprised, and then when they turned back to the page, before it had the same words on it, and when she turned the page, because when in computer screen when we go ahead, at that time the backwards are go upwards, means those words are not appeared. But when in the old kinds of book, when we turn the pages, the same words are appearing there. Guy said Tommy, what a waste. Then Margie said to Tommy, what a useless things. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away. Means when you complete the readings, after reading the textbook, you will throw it. I guess our television screen must have had a million books. And she was saying to Tommy that our television there are many books and we plenty means sufficient. I wouldn't throw it away, and after reading it we didn't remove it, we didn't throw it, we put it ourselves. Some with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many tale books as Tommy had. She was 13, and as I told you before, Tommy is 13 years old and Margie is 11 years old, and they never seen these kinds of books before. She said, "Where did you find it?" Means Margie asked to the Tommy, "Where you get the books?" Then, without looking toward the Margie, Tommy replied that, "I got it in my rooms, in the attic." What is means of the attic? As you are watching on the screens, attic means a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Margie was scornful. School means Margie became surprised. School. But now she hated it more than ever. And when she heard about the school, she became very angry. The mechanical teachers had been giving her test after test in geography because her mechanical teacher was continue giving her test, and she got the minimum marks in her test, and so she became very angry. One day her mother, and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowful and sent for the county inspector. When she was getting minimum marks, her mother became very surprised and she called the county inspector. Who is a county inspector? County inspector is a mechanic who repair the computers. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. A mechanical teacher, a county inspector is a mechanic. He has a toolbox, and in toolbox there is a dials and a wires. He smiled at the Margie and gave her an apple. Looking toward the Margie, county inspector smiled and gave her an apple to eat. Then took the teacher apart. Then he took the mechanical teacher, and Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. But he knew how. All right, and after an hour, so there it was again. She thought that the county inspector will take it and go for repair, and there will be many, he will be take many times. Large and black and ugly with a big skin on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. She was describing about her mechanical teacher. Her mechanical teacher, a black and ugly with a big skin on which all the lessons were shown. Means she was learning through the computers. The words are moving and where the questions are appear. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot, and he was not angry with the computer screen. He was angry with the slot where she put the test paper after completing her test. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. After completing the test, she put the test paper in a slot, and within a few minutes, the mechanical teachers her result. The inspector had smiled after he was finished. When the county inspector completed his task, means when he repaired the computer teacher, then he smiled and patted Margie's head. Patted means शाबाशी देना, ऐसा हाथ से शाबाशी देते उस तरीके से है. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault." Then the county inspector explained to her mother, Mrs. Jones, it is not a mistake of the Margie. I think the geographic sector was geared a little too quick. He said that the geographic sector is working little fast according to her age. Those things happen. Sometimes I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Then he said that I set the mechanical teacher according to her age. Now it works properly. The overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Once again, he gave him her blessing. Margie was disappointed. Margie was not satisfied with these things, because she thought that she had been hoping they would take the teacher away together. She was thinking that they will take the mechanical teacher for a month. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Because once when the Tommy's mechanical teacher was not working properly, the county inspector took it with him and he returned it within a month. So Margie was thinking that the county inspector will also take my mechanical teacher for a month. So she was not satisfied with the work of the county inspector. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Margie asked to Tommy, "Why anyone write about the schools?" Okay, now half chapter of the fun they had finished. Now we will hear the whole summary of the half lesson. As I told you, in this chapter there are two main characters, Margie and Tommy. Margie is writing a diary. In her diary she wrote about the books Tommy got. It was an old kinds of book when Tommy's grandfather were studying. She said that she was very surprised when she opened the textbook, because in textbook there were many lines and the same words were appearing again and again. When she watched, the same words were appearing. Then she asked to Tommy how they were learning these words, because they were learning the future, they were learning with the future teacher. The future teacher was a mechanical teacher and the words were moving on the screen. After some times, when they were discussing about the old kinds of school, and Margie was giving the test of geography and she was getting very bad marks. After some times, when she was getting very bad marks, her mother became angry and she called the county inspector, and county inspector repaired the computer teacher. But Margie was thinking that, see, county inspector will took the computer teachers for a month, but he repaired it within some times. And now she asked to the Tommy, why would anyone write about schools? She was asking to the Tommy. That's it. Whatever we studied in above 5 paragraphs, there are related few questions. First question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Second question is, what did Margie write in her diary? Third question is, have Margie ever seen a book before? Fourth question is, what things about the book did she find strange? Question number 5, what do you think a Dell book is? These questions are in above 5 paragraphs. You have to find the answer of these questions.